Welcome to Tonic. It's Tuesday. Are you ready for some amazing deals? Yeah. Now today we are launching the festive home decor collection. Okay. Now I want to give you a sneak peek, but you've got to join Alison and Karen at 12 o'clock today for a beautiful way of how to put these together. Okay. So look at these houses. These are something special. Do you want spooky? Do you want Edwardian? Do you want a Victorian house? Do you want maybe a country little chalet out there with the rosebuds going up the door frames and everything else? Or do you want that spooky house? Yeah. These are going to allow you to make all those, okay? So inside here, you have got all your instructions inside that packaging and all the dies as well. Now you are getting 58 dies in this collection, okay? But I have to say, the piece de resistance is everything that you can do with it. This is going to take a lot of, is it a house in the summer? Is it a house in the winter? Is it in the autumn? You can decorate them exactly how you want because there's so many different elements in here. So if we look straight away, so this one has been done in all your glitter cards, yeah, so very sparkly. Maybe a little princess lives in there, yeah, and you put all baubles inside and everything for a little girl. Maybe you're doing one for, I don't know, it could be the lady next door. Maybe you live in, I don't know, it could be Texas and you live on a ranch, yeah? Look how you can start to build these houses. It could be a bungalow. It could be a semi-detached. You can join two together, yeah? But you decide how you want these to look. From your ridge tiles to your windows to your dormers on there as well, to your different style doors, whether you bring it, oh, this is beautiful. Whether you're doing Christmas boxes, ooh, who's made this one? Who's made this one, Leo? Vicky. Vicky's lovely.
Of course it is.
Yeah. Look how she's put on there all the little snowdrops coming down. She's actually dripped it off the side here as well. So we've got icicles coming down there. She's even got it above the doors there, incorporating all the little embellishments in there from the little gingerbread men, the candy canes as well. But if you're like me, you like a bit of Halloween, we've got ghosts in there. You can see how they're all coming up out of the windows. We've got pumpkins in there as well. And these are all gift boxes. So you're going to take the lid off, and inside there you've got a lot of different things that you can place in there. Whether it's candies, whether it's sweets, whether it's different household things, baubles, as I say, for little girls in your life. Absolutely spectacular. They're beautiful. This ticks my boxes. I like this one, yeah. So don't forget to join us here on Tonic, where throughout the week we're going to be launching completely different designs every single day. And don't forget, 4 of you have got a chance to win an amazing goodie bags. The full. See you later.